Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you all?
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay, then here's a look at here. Today we'll read. This is lesson number 9. This is festivals. Okay, this is page number 61. Can you see here? Let's warm up. Here given some pictures. Look at here. The first one boy and one girl, maybe Rishikesh and Himadri, no? Brother and sister. Look at here. In your mobile, look at there. One boy and one girl. They are burning some crackers. Crackers means what? Some Diwali, we are burning some crackers, no? Like that, some crackers they are burning. Okay. Then here, see what is the festival, Dijon? This is a Diwali, no? And look at here, this is Diwali. One here's a festival. This is one of the festivals. Next one here, see. Next one picture is given. Look at there. This is here's a Guru Parva. Okay. Then next one, look at here. This is Eid, and this is a one tree, Christmas tree. No, so this is a festival of Christmas. Can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, so these are the festivals. So today we learn about our festivals. Okay, some festivals here say we are celebrating. So today we learn about the festivals. Okay, look at here and look at here. People of different religions. Look at here. Look at the spelling religions. Okay, RELIGIONS, religions worship God in a different way. Yes, people of different religion. Okay, different religion people worship. Look at here, worship. WORSHIP, worship. Worship means praying. Okay, they are praying. Okay, so God in different way they worship their God. They celebrate their special days as religious festivals. So special days as religious festivals they're celebrating. Okay, look at here, people different religion worship different gods. Okay, different gods in different way. Okay, in different way they're praying to their God. They celebrate their special days as religious festival. That is a religious festival. Okay, then here's a look at their changes in seasons are also celebrated as festivals. Yes, whenever the season is changing, seasons, okay, changes in seasons. Whenever the season is changing, that time also the people they are celebrating. Okay, in our country, more than 500 festivals are celebrated in 1 year. Look at here. In our country, more than here's a 500 festivals are celebrated. Okay, so more than 500 festivals. We also celebrating here's some festivals supposed to be Durga Puja. So these are the festivals we are celebrating here. Okay, so like that here's almost 500 festivals are celebrated in 1 year in our country. Then what is our country? Do you know what is our country? Yes, what is our country? Our country? Anybody say?
India.
Yes, our country is India. So in our country, we are celebrating more than 500 festivals in every part of our country, every state. We are celebrating different festivals. Okay, now you're saying we'll begin with the month of January. Then look at here in the month of January, what type of festivals we are celebrating. Look at here. Yes, look. Here say in the month of January, look at here. Here say Lohri. Look at here. The first one. Lohri is a festival in Punjab. Yes, Lohri is the festival they are celebrating in Punjab. On this, people light a bonfire and dance around. Look at here, these people, they are dancing, and after that they are firing. One bonfire is there, one bonfire. Okay, bonfire is there, and after that, and surrounding these people, they are dancing. Okay, so this is a festival of Lohri, and it's celebrating in Punjab. Okay. Now here's a look at here. Next year in the month of January. Next festival. What festivals we are celebrating? And here, Makar Sankranti. Look at here. Makar Sankranti is celebrated. Oh, here see, one day after Lohri. Yes, Makar Sankranti. Look at here. Another festival. So here see after Lohri, here see we're celebrating. Okay, on this day, people take a holy bath in river Ganga. Yes, in this day, Makar Sankranti. In this day, the people here see they went to Ganga, the river. Okay, and after that they are bathing there. They took bath there. Okay. Then after that, in the month of January, again Pongal. Look at here, Pongal, Pongal. Yes, Pongal. This festival also celebrate. Look at here, Pongal is a 3-day festival. Here's a harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Look at here, HARVEST, harvest. Harvest festival means जो खेती करते हैं उसको हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल कहते हैं. ओके, आवर बिहू आल्सो हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल only. ओके, सो ये सब कुछ खेती के साथ संबंधित है. ओके, लुक एट हियर Pongal. Pongal here say where it is celebrated. Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Then here say, look at here. Then here say in the month of January. In the month of January, which festivals are here celebrated? Which festival we are celebrating in the month of January? Yes.
Lohri.
Lohri. Yes, Lohri. The next one, what is there? Makar Sankranti and
Pongal.
Pongal. Yes, these festivals we are celebrating in the month of January. Yes, in the month of January. In the month of February, which festival we are celebrating? Look at here. Basant Panchami. Look at here. Look the spelling. Look the spelling. B-A-S-A-N-T. Basant. Okay. B-A-N-C-H-M-I. Panchami. Basant Panchami. Basant. Basant Panchami. Look at here. Basant Panchami. So Basant Panchami, when we are celebrating? In the month of
February.
February. Yes, Rishik is very good. In the month of February, you say Basant Panchami. This you say festival is celebrated. Okay, look at here. This spring festival is celebrated in the month of February. People wear yellow clothes. Okay, so people wear yellow clothes on these days. Okay, the people, they are wearing yellow colored clothes. Look at here, Gaurav is wearing yellow colored clothes. Look at here, Gaurav. Okay, so in the Basant Panchami also, the people, okay, they are wearing yellow colored dresses. Okay, okay, in the month of March, look at here. Holi is a festival of colors. Okay, so Holi. Here we are playing Holi now. Holi, putting some colors here. Okay, some colors we are putting. So Holi is a festival of colors. It is celebrated mostly in North India. Yes, in North India, people mainly here say celebrating this festival. Okay, in the month of March. Okay, in the month of March, look at here. When it is celebrating Holi festival, when it is celebrating in the month of March, and mostly in North India. Okay, North India people, they are celebrating this festival. People enjoy playing with colored water and gulal. Yes, colored water and gulal putting the one. Okay, okay. So they enjoy as sweet called a gujia. Look at here. Here's a they enjoy a sweet called a gujia. Gujia, one type of here's a sweet is there. They are eating. Okay, so look at here in the month of Mars. Who's here's a festival we are celebrating in the month of Mars. Yes, in the month
Holi.
Holy. Yes. Then February in the month here's a month of February. Which festival we are celebrating in the month of February? Can you say?
Basant.
Huh? Basant?
Pansami.
Basant Panchami. Very good. Basant Panchami. In the month of February, Basant Panchami. In the month of Mars, Holi. Okay. Then after that, look at here. April. Yes. Now here's in the month of April. Look at here. Look at here. Look here. Say these people they are dancing. No. Anybody want to dance now? Anybody want to dance? You can dance now. We can see. Yes. Gaurav, you want to dance or what? Gaurav or what? You want to dance? Or you want to dance? Okay, dance. Now you dance. You dance. We'll see. Or Himadri, you want to dance? No. Rishikesh want to dance. No, I think. Rishikesh? Or you want to dance?
No.
No. Okay. Look at here. April. Look at here. April. Here's the Baisakhi. Look at here. Look the spelling B-A-I-S-A-K-I. Baisakhi. Look at here. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. So Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on 13th April. Look at here. Every year. Yes, in every year, in 13th April, this Baisakhi, this festival is celebrated. Okay, men and women perform folk dance on this occasion. Look at here, men and women, there, you see, dance. Okay, dances on this occasion. In Bihu also we are dancing, no? Everybody we are dancing like that, dancing no Bihu. Sainika also dancing, no? Sainika?
Yes.
Bihu here so we are dancing, no? Okay. So during Baisakhi, in Baisakhi also, these people, okay, in Punjab, generally they are celebrating in Punjab, okay? The Punjabi people, they are dancing, okay? So this is a Baisakhi, okay? Then after that, look at here, in the month of August, look at here, in the month of August, look, yes. Then Raksha Bandhan, Raksha Bandhan, do you know Raksha Bandhan? In Raksha Bandhan? Okay. Yes, Raksha Bandhan. Look at here. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sisters. Yes, look at here. Brother and sisters are festival. This is okay. So look at here. This sister, she is tying one Raksha. Okay. Here say look at here, and here's hand, and after that giving one. Okay. Look at here. Brother and sister, okay, celebrated in full moon. Okay, celebrated on a full moon night. Yes, during night time at celebrating. And after that, look at here in August again we are celebrating one festival, that is Janmashtami. Look at here, look the spelling Janma. Okay, Janmashtami. Janmashtami. Look the spelling, okay. Prepare the spelling. Okay, Janmashtami is the here's the birthday of Lord Krishna. Okay, this is the birthday of Lord Krishna. People all here say observe a fast on this day. Yes, they are observe. Here say observe a fast. That means they are not taking anything. Okay, fast on this day. So in the month of April, which here say festivals we are celebrating in the month of August? Which festival we are celebrating? Raksha Bandhan,
Rakhi.
and this is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami. Okay, in the month of years, look at here. In the month of August, we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami. Okay, okay. Then here say in the month of April, we are celebrating
Baisakhi.
Baisakhi. Yes, very good. This is Baisakhi. Then here say in the month of March, we are celebrating
Holi.
Holi. Yes, very good. In the month of March, we are celebrating Holi. Okay. Then in the month of February, look at here. In the month of February,
Basant Panchami.
Basant Panchami. In the month of February, we are celebrating Basant Panchami. Okay. Then after that, look at here. In the month of January, which festivals we are celebrating?
Lori.
Lori, Makar Sankranti. Again, what is there? Again, Pongal. Okay. So here say today about here say we learn about the festivals. Here say these festivals in the month of January, which festivals we are celebrating in the month of February, March, April, and August. These months here say which festivals we are celebrating. Not about this one. Okay. So all of you prepare, all of you read the Dijon, nicely read the Dijon, okay? And I can remember it, which festivals are you're celebrating in which month, okay? This one, all of you read, not only one to time, more than one to time, you just read it, revise it,